The first trait that many people may share about this number is that 20 plus 25 times another 20 plus 25 equals 2025. And when I looked deeper, I found many base-independent traits that just make 2025 as a quantity very special. First of all, if we take a 9x9 grid, sort of like a slightly larger checkerboard than usual, and ask how many rectangles are in here, that would include like that as a rectangle, or that's a rectangle. How many total rectangles are in here? Well, the answer is 2025. Or how about this? If we take a 9x9 grid but fill it with the numbers that would be in a multiplication table up to that point, and then we add up all of the numbers within these squares, the sum of all of those is exactly 2025. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. This next fact relates to square numbers and triangular numbers. If I take 3 squared, I get 9. If I take the 9th triangular number, I get 45. And if I take 45 squared, I get 2025. And the sum of the first 2 cubes is 9. And iterating this, the sum of the first 9 cubes is 2025. And here's a formula I came up with for how we can describe 2025 using an iterated summing of cubes. And here's another one I came up with for how to describe it using squared triangular numbers. Isn't this formula cool looking? Bonus fact, there's a type of number called tetrahedral numbers, which can be seen as a stack of all the triangular numbers up to some point, and the 22nd tetrahedral number is 2024. And as one last base-dependent bonus fact, the digits in 2025 add up to 9. Overall, this number has so many cool traits. I mean, if you investigated any number, you'd find interesting things, but this one seems especially full of magnificent patterns.